Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that the measure of two legs of a right triangle squared and added together equals the square of the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem helps people solve real-world problems. Lucy usually bikes to the park along Maple Avenue, then up Silver Street. Is Canyon Trail shorter? She knows the two legs, Maple Avenue and Silver Street, are 3 and 4 miles long. Applying the Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. She knows that 5 squared is 25. So the hypotenuse, the length of Canyon Trail, is 5 miles. 2 miles less of biking for Lucy. What if Lucy doesn't know the lengths of Maple Avenue and Silver Street?
As we saw in the video, Pythagoras theorem works in right angle triangle, and the main formula is c squared equal a squared plus b squared, which c squared is hypotenuse. So if I want to get the hypotenuse directly, I use this formula. It looks like I take square root of the two sides. So c equals square root of a squared plus b squared. So what about if I want to get one of the two legs, a or b? A will equal square root of c squared, which is hypotenuse, minus b squared. And if I want to get b squared, it will be equal square root of c squared minus a squared. And now let's see a particular proof for Pythagorean theorem, where c squared is the area of a square which inscribed on the hypotenuse, and a squared, b squared, the area of the other two squares on the two legs. And now let's try to solve some examples. Here he says that ABC is a right angle triangle, AB 3, BC 4. You want to get that the third side, which is AC. AC here is a hypotenuse. So to get it, it will be square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared equal 5 centimeter. We use plus here because we want to get the hypotenuse. When you want to get the hypotenuse, use plus, because the hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angle triangle. So second, here we have 5 and 13, and we want to get CB, which is a leg. When I want to get a leg, I use the same, but here instead of plus I use minus, like this. Hypotenuse square minus the other side square, or other leg square. We get 12. So CB equal 12. Let's go to another example. Here it says that XYZL is a quadrilateral in which XYZ equal measure of angle XLZ equal 90 degree. So we have here two right angled triangle, and here 7, here 24, here 15. He want from us to get the length of XZ and LZ. So here I will use Pythagoras twice, once in triangle XYZ to get XZ. XZ here is hypotenuse, so I use the rule which is plus 7 squared plus 24 square under the square root here. So we get xz equal 25. xz equal 25. And here, triangle LXZ. Now we have two sides and we want to get the third. The third here is a leg. Leg we get it with square root of hypotenuse square minus the other side square. Like this. So LZ equal 20 centimeter. Thank you. And now try to make this homework. Copy this two questions and try to manage it. Thank you and see you later inshallah.